Good morning. Today we will see 3 by 3 matrix inverse by using elementary row operation. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix inverse by using elementary row operation. Your first matrix, you can see here 3 by 3 matrix 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 0 minus 5 2 5 0. When you have the first element 1, I just wanted to make the down two zeros. How to do this? R2 changes to R2 plus 3R1, R3 changes to R3 minus, okay, I is equal to A, R2 changes to R2 plus 3R1, R3 changes to R3 minus 2R1. Now when we do that, what will happen? Minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0, 0 plus 9, 9 minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. See the elements. 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 0 plus 4. So this is what we are going to get. This first step is very important when we go with. Now after going to the first diagonal element, let us see the first element 1 and made these two zeros. Now my next concept is to go to the next diagonal element. This is 9. Here this one we need to make 1. How to do that? Whenever we need to make 1, we should use the down element. So I will be writing R2 changes to R2 plus 8 R3. R2 changes to R2 plus 8 R3. Then what happens? You will be getting 1. Along with that, minus 11 plus 32 is your 21. Left side also there is a change. Previously I have not mentioned because it's very simple, you can do it. Now with the left side also we change. R2 plus 8 R3 means 3 minus 16 means minus 13. 1 plus 0 is 1, okay. 0 plus 8 is 8. So this is how the second row changed. Now when we have this one 1, I have to make this is 0 and up also 0. Now how to do that? R3 plus R2 and R1 tends to R1 minus 3R2. When we do that, we'll get a matrix this one. Our concept of making 1 is done. See this one, where is my cursor here? Yeah, this 3 has made 0 like 3 R3 R1 minus 3R2 like 3 minus 3 0. In the process, what happened? Minus 2 minus 63, that is minus 65. Second row is unchanged, left side, right side. And left side also there is a change. If you can go through R1 minus 3 R1 means 1 plus 39, that is 40. 0 minus 3 and 0 minus 24. The same way we have a row 3 changes. You can do the rough work. Next, what is the concept here? The next diagonal element, this one should be made 1. There is no down element to it, so I have divided with 25. So I will get the matrix as 1 over here. Now after getting this 1, the left side also there is a change, okay. On parallel you have to do the both sides. Now when we get this 1, now how to make these two zeros? We just use R1 tends to R1 plus 65 R3 to the rough work, and R2 tends to R2 minus 21 R3. You do that and you will get the simplified one in the left side. That is your A inverse. That's the rough work for you. Let's go to the second question. This question, it looks simple but it is little complicated, and that is why I have if the screen is not visible from the next slide, I made only one question going through. I have changed the layout. So here as usual AI is equal to A into identity resolve will be done. Our first element is not 1, I have to make it 1. So what I should use always the down element. Here 3 is there. So what is my idea here? I will take 2R1 minus R3. So that means your first row will changes. How it changes? 4 minus 3 1. Then we have minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. And parallelly the left side also changes. So changes are done in the first row. Now when we got this first element 1, we have to make these two zeros. So same process, R2 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 3 R1, that I will do in the next one. So when we do that, we will get the elements like this. If you do the simplification and check back again, you will be getting like this. Now I have to make this element as 1, the next diagonal element using the down one. I cannot make it as 1 because both are same. So when these both are same, just ignore of making 1 here. Try to make this one 0. This is directly R3 minus R2. So then it will become 0, 0 and minus 5. You can see this one left side also there are the changes parallelly both the sides. So here minus 5 has come. I need to make this one, we'll leave aside and let's go to the next diagonal element. This is minus 5. I can make it 1 by dividing with minus 5. But when we divide with minus 5, this minus 2 will become 2 by 5, this will become 1 by 5 and this will become minus 2 by 5. You check there. Both are parallelly done. Now we got this lower triangular elements 0. Now using this one I will make this up to zeros like R1 tends to R1 minus 4 R3, R2 tends to R2 plus 5 R3. Do the simplification, these two will become 0 and here the left side there is a little complication. Let us see how it will become. R1 minus 4 R3 means 2 minus 8 by 5. 2 minus 8 by 5 rough work will be 2 by 5. 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 plus 8 by 5. So minus 1 plus 8 by 5. This all will be coming out to be this in this way the fractions have come. Now we got this one all and I have forgot this to make 1. So there is no alternative, we should divide with 10. The second row. Divide with 10, you got this one. The last step is what? This is 1, you have to make 0. So the step you know R1 tends to R1 plus 4 R2, you will be getting the final matrix. And last one for today, we will see one more and then we will end up for today. This is very simple question. And here also AI is equal to A and the matrix we have written. Now this one you have to make 1 because I always go with the process of diagonal element. This one if you want to make 1 using the down element, it's very simple. You can say this is 3R1 minus R2. So then it will become 1 and in the process you need to learn this all will be changing the row 1 left side right side. It's very important. So after changing this and we have got the first element 1, we need to make this 5 as 0. So you know R2 tends to R2 minus 5 R1. There is no, and here this will become 0. In the process you'll be getting 1 plus 5 6 and 0 plus 15 here and 0 minus 15 and 6 and 0. You see the elements how we are getting. So now we will go for the next diagonal element. This is 6. You need to wait 1 and I have to use the down element. You can simply take R2 minus 5 R3. Then we'll get 1 along with 15 minus 15 has become 0. See here. And second row only you can change. Yeah, 0 minus 5, 6 minus 0 minus 15. This is as it is. Now I have got this one as 1. So you can make this one 0 using R3 minus R2. So simple. So you can get these all become 0 and minus when we are doing this is 6 and minus 6 and minus 15, plus 15. Yeah, 0 plus 15. Now the next diagonal element, this is 3. I have to make 1, so the option is R3 by 3. You will be getting this one when you divide with 3. So this one have got 1 already. This is 0. Up 1 you want to make 0. R1 tends to R1 plus 3. R3 then you get 0 over there. Left side also the changes, see there 3 plus 15 18 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 0 plus 6. See left side and right side both are changing. The last step is left over, that is what R1 plus R2 to make that 0. So this is your end of the questions. This whatever is left over is your inverse. Thanks a lot for watching this. So we will end up